দেখুন আপনারা জুন আর সোজা করো যারা বলছেন, বিশেষ করে মাননীয় প্রধানমন্ত্রীজি, এইটা আপনার জন্য। আপনি মাননীয় রাষ্ট্রপতি একজন মহিলা এবং ট্রাইবেল লিডার, তাকে সম্মান দেন? তাহলে বলুন কেন প্রধান রাষ্ট্রপতি দাঁড়িয়ে আছে এবং আপনি বসে আছেন? প্রত্যক্ষভাবে আপনাদের দেখিয়ে দিলাম আমরা কিন্তু আমাদের সম্মান দিই, কিন্তু এরা সম্মান দেয় না। ভালো করে ধরে থাকো, ব্যাস ঠিক আছে। সম্মান কারা দেয় আর কারা দিতে পারে না, এই ছবিটাই তার প্রমাণ করে দেবে। আমরা সম্মানীয় সব চেয়ারকেই সম্মান করি, আর প্রধানমন্ত্রী নির্বাচন আসলে ভোট পাখির মতো বাংলাকে আক্রমণ করেন আর যা তা বলেন। মিতালি বাগ তো ঠিক বলেছে, ভোটের আগে মনে পড়ে বাউরি, বাগদি, লোধা, সবর, মুন্ডা, সাঁওতালি, যে কোনো ভাষার কথা, মতুয়া, রাজবংশী, কামতাপুরী, হিন্দিভাষী, কারো কথা মনে পড়ে? মনে পড়ে না। কালকে আপনি টুইট করেছিলেন, আপনার টুইটের জবাব আমি দিয়েছি যে প্রোগ্রামটা আমরা অর্গানাইজ করিনি, অর্গানাইজ করেছে ওয়ান প্রাইভেট অর্গানাইজেশন, অ্যান্ড দ্যাট ইজ অলসো from state government. The letter is sent that this organization don't have any capability to organize the program of the Honorable President of India. They didn't involve us. It is neither the state government program and neither the state government is involved. So whatever happened, the organizer is the private party, and it is that instead of repeating that, please see that they may not be provide all good program for you, but it is the choice of the Honorable President. They accepted the invitation, so it is their prerogative, it is not our prerogative. And after that, to complain why the people didn't came, that is lies with the organizers. They never told us you send your people there. They never involved the West Bengal government, only accept the information. And regarding washroom also they mentioned something. I cross-checked. She was attending the meeting, which is the jurisdiction of the Airport Authority of India. It is their jurisdiction. And the green room was set up by the organizer because they were interested. So it is their choice. Before few days ago, Amit Shah also organized the meeting there. It is not our area also. Area belongs to Airport of India Authority. And green room who will build up? That is entrusted with the organizers of these private organizations. It is their failure if anything you feel unfortunate. We are not, so don't blame us. We give full respect to the chair. We give full respect to our constitution, because our constitution is our mother, and our constitution, it is for our country. So we don't disrespect our chair. We always give due respect to the chair. Only because election is coming, and on the eve of election, whatever you can say, you can blame Bengal only because you targeted Bengal. Why? আমি বলবো জুন এবং বীরবা হাসদাকে, এদিকেও যারা আছেন ছবিটা ঘুরিয়ে দেখাও সবাইকে। আরে ওরকম না, ওখানে দাঁড়িয়েই ঘোরাও না, সবাই দেখতে হবে। আমরাও যাতে দেখতে পারি। ওদিকটা দেখিয়ে দাও, এবার এদিকটা ঘোরাও আমাদের দিকে, মানে সোজা 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 ওই দিকটা সোজা। President is standing and Prime Minister is sitting. We never do it. Even a single women, even they come, we just stand up because of their respect. And now you are saying we are not giving honor. What do you think? Our mayor was present there. I am at a dharna. How can I leave the place? And I was not aware your program before dharna. I am fighting the battle for the people, for their voting rights. I don't think it is either Hindu, neither Muslim, or Sikh, or Christians, or Buddha, or Jaina, or Parashik, or Buddhist, or Christians. We are fighting for all. Because this is India. And we love our country as our motherland. We love every caste, every community, every creed, and everybody. So this is the evidence I have just shown you. इससे ज्यादा कुछ बोलना चाहिए? बाद बाकी हमने जो लेटर दिया था गवर्नमेंट का ओर से, वो फेसबुक में मैं अटैच करके दिया. What was government response to their program? They didn't listen. It is, of course, I will say it is their choice. It is their prerogative. We cannot say that please don't come because people won't be coming. That organization, they don't have any capability. So you are blaming us? Who is to be blamed for that? We the people of India? No. It is your airport authority of India. The green room was there, and also the organizers. It is, we didn't selected, we never selected. It is your choice, you have selected. So don't blame us, because we don't disrespect, we respect each and everybody. So that is just only I clarified. Because Prime Minister tweeted that why we are celebrating International Women's Day 1,000 times, scores of times. We will celebrate. We have to give respect to our brothers and sisters both. If sisters are not there, mothers are not there, if brothers are not there, who will lead this country? Who will run the family? Who will run the society? Please think about that. You don't have any right to criticize us that why we are celebrating International Women's Day. It is not today. We are doing it since our childhood. And we are proud to say we are proud of our brothers and sisters. I convey our greetings to our brothers and sisters, mothers, everybody throughout the world. চলে এসো, রেখে দাও যত্ন করে এটা। এরপর বীরবাহু